Today, we're exploring how to build a complete website using 10Web, an AI-powered website builder that makes the entire process incredibly simple. You don't need design skills, coding knowledge, or previous website experience because the AI handles most of the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is enter a few details, choose your website type, and let the system generate a clean and professional layout. Before building, it helps to understand the pricing structure. 10Web offers a free trial, so you can test everything without paying. The starter plan is perfect for small businesses or personal projects, offering AI tools, storage, hosting, and essential features like backups and SSL. If you need more power, the premium and ultimate plans provide extra resources, advanced support, and the ability to manage larger or multiple websites. To begin building, click Generate Your Website and enter your website name. The AI will then ask basic questions about your business or niche so it can produce a tailored design. Once you provide the details, the AI automatically creates your pages, layout, images, and even SEO-friendly text. It prepares sections like About, Contact, Services, and more, saving you hours of manual work. After generation, you can customize everything using the drag and drop editor. Adjust colors, fonts, layouts, images, spacing, and headings with simple clicks. You can add new pages, change your branding, or tweak anything that doesn't match your vision. It also lets you check mobile and desktop versions so you can make sure your website looks great everywhere. If you're building an online store, 10Web also prepares product categories and layouts. You can update prices, track orders, add new products, and view customer activity from one dashboard. The platform also provides performance tools to improve loading speed, SEO tools to boost visibility, and automated backups to protect your content. Once everything looks perfect, connect your domain or use one provided by 10Web. After publishing, you can monitor analytics, track visitor activity, update your content, and continue improving your design whenever you want. The AI helps you update pages, write descriptions, and expand your website as your business grows. 10Web makes website creation feel effortless. Instead of dealing with complicated settings, you get a clean workspace where AI helps you build a professional site in minutes. It's ideal for beginners who want a simple experience and for busy professionals who want faster results without hiring designers or developers. With powerful tools, easy customization, and built-in optimization, it gives you everything you need to grow your online presence